In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Excel sheet to Notion. This skill is particularly useful if you're looking to streamline your workflow by managing all your data in one place, and it can save you a lot of time when working across different platforms. So, let's get started. First things first, open up Notion and navigate to your homepage. You'll find this by logging into your account, or if you're already logged in, by clicking on the Notion icon at the top of the sidebar. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. This is where you can organize your pages, databases, and other elements. Now, look for the option to add a new page. It's usually labeled as Add a Page or New Page, and is located in that left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. This action will create a new, blank page where you'll eventually import your Excel data. With the new page open, direct your attention to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal additional functionalities. Among these options, you should find the Import button. Selecting Import will allow you to bring in data from various sources into Notion. Next, you'll want to choose the type of file you're importing. Since we're dealing with an Excel sheet, click on the CSV option, as Excel files are often converted to CSV format for easy data transfer. Once you've clicked on CSV, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the file you wish to import. Click on Choose File to open your computer's File Explorer. Here, navigate to the location where your Excel sheet is saved, ensuring that it is in CSV format, and select it. After selecting your file, Notion will begin processing the data. Before the import is finalized, you will have the opportunity to map the CSV headers. This step is crucial as it determines how your data from Excel will be aligned within Notion. Take a moment to ensure that each column header from your Excel sheet corresponds correctly with the fields in Notion. Once you're satisfied with the mapping, go ahead and click on Import CSV. Notion will then import your data, and you should see your Excel content displayed on the page, ready for you to organize, edit, or reference as needed. And that's it! You've successfully imported an Excel sheet into Notion. This process not only helps in keeping your data organized, but also enhances your productivity by allowing you to access and manipulate your information seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.